Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G5s Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Start by going into settings. Now scroll down and choose languages and input, virtual keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into theme and tap on the plus sign under custom. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click next, adjust brightness and tap done. Lastly, enable all disabled keyboarders by tapping on the switcher and click apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!